Welcome back to another video, guys. I want to show you how to make carrot cake. Now my carrot cake, guys, I've been making it for over some time now and I wasn't able to master the texture that I was going for. So now that I do it, I want to show you guys how to do it. All right, we are going to need some oil, water, 2 carrots, sugar. You can go in with 2 tablespoons of flax meal if you don't have the egg replacer. All right, to activate the flax meal, you're going to use 6 tablespoons of water. All right, we have here mixed spice and cinnamon. We have also some nutmeg, salt. I have almond. You don't have to use the almond, you can use raisin if you so desire. All right, let's move over to all of these little things over here. So now also we're going to add some vanilla essence and some almond essence. Alright, move these over. We're going to come to the leavening agent. Now these guys are very important. Listen to me now. I want you to use baking powder, baking soda. All the instructions will be in the description box. As well, to boost it, we're going to be using some white vinegar. Alright guys, this part is very important. I want you to take note of this, the vinegar. Alright, now we're moving over to the flour. Alright, now you can see we have all-purpose flour and cake and pastry flour. Now guys, the difference between these two is that the protein level is different, which means one has more gluten in there and the other one not so much. Alright, so what we want to do is to use 1 cup of all-purpose flour to 1 cup of pastry flour. Now listen, the combination I find works very nice with this cake. It's light, it's airy, it's spongy. Apart from if you just want to use the all-purpose, which is going to give your carrot cake a dense taste. All right, let's get started. All right, so as usual, you know, you sieve all of your dry ingredients, guys, and difference with the pastry flour is that it's a bit lighter as well. All right, why I came up with this mixture, guys, is because I have an aunt that bakes very well, and I mean, I always want my pastry to look like hers or resemble hers somewhat. She's vegetarian, I'm vegan, so you know, the texture of the cake is always so soft, right, when I used to eat her carrot cake. So I always want my pastries to come out somewhat like hers. All right, so we're going in with 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now we're going to use ½ teaspoon of baking soda. Again, all of this will be listed in the description box. And I do like to sieve all of my spice as well. Adding our nutmeg. Combine all your dry ingredients now properly. Let's rest this aside. Alright, so now we're going to add the water to the egg replacer. You can do the same for the flax meal and just rest it aside so it can develop a little bit. Alright, guys, my neighbor gave me some carrots. You know who going to make carrot juice this week and carrot cake, right? I think this equal up to a cup now. Alright, so we're good right here. So going in now with the liquid ingredients: water, oil, vinegar. The reason why I'm using the vinegar is because it creates a chemical reaction with the baking powder and baking soda to help the cake to rise nice. Going in with the liquid. Make sure you scrape the bottom of the pan. Make sure all of the dry ingredients come up. This is it now, guys. You're going to add in some almond, but not all of it, just a little. Guys, line your loaf pan and we're going to go in with the butter. Adding it to the oven now, so we'll get back to you shortly. Just give the pan a little bounce like that to get out the air bubbles. Okay guys, our cake has finished baking. I'd bake it at 180 degrees for 45 minutes, or you can just test it. If the skewer is dry, it's perfect. Alright, so now I'm going to turn it over and show you guys how it looks. You can see how nice and brown it is, right? That's the look you're going for. This is what we want. It's still hot, guys. Don't look at that, spongy. That's how you know it's gonna be a nice cake. You see that? See how spongy it is? Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Until next time, bye.